What's up guys, Rand Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out Tech21's entire lineup of iPhone cases for the all-new iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys a quick look. The first case that we're going to check out is Tech21's Pure Cases, which was my favorite crystal clear case during the last couple iPhones. However, this year, we're going to check out a couple variations of the Pure case with their new Pure Tint case and their Pure Shimmer case. The Pure cases are rated for 10 feet of drop protection. They also have an antimicrobial coating on them, so they should resist bacterial growth, especially for those of you who don't like to clean your cases as much. And they have a self-healing finish, which I think is basically like a scratch-resistant finish that they have on these cases. Let's take a look at the Pure Tint here. So the Pure cases are a hybrid style case. The majority of it is a polycarbonate shell with the bezel border a flexible TPU style material. Here's a quick look at the Pure Shimmer case, which you can see here. It's basically the clear case with a kind of metallic powdered finish that's infused into the plastic. So let's slap our space gray iPhone 11 Pro Max into the Tech21 Pure Tint case. Pretty easy to put in. So here's what the Pure Tint case looks like on my space gray iPhone. Looks really sharp. You can see it doesn't add a whole lot of bulk to the iPhone, which is really good. Even though it has a tint to it, you can still see the Apple logo shine through. So far, the only thing I can mention that I don't like about the case is that because it has a slick polished finish to it, it helps resist scratches, but it does make the case a little bit slippery. The volume buttons are super responsive and they have a very nice clicky feel to it. That being said, the power button has no click to it. It still works, but it just feels weird because it doesn't... Whoops. It doesn't feel like you're pressing a button. Here's a quick look at the Pure Shimmer case. I don't have an iPhone 11 since this is the smaller model to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but I do have a replica iPhone 10 just to give you guys a look at what it looks like, which you can see here has a very nice powdery metallic shimmer effect. Nothing too crazy. I kind of like it just because it's subtle but adds a little extra flair to the overall case look. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but the shimmer also extends to the bezel portion, so there's a slight little metallic effect there as well. And here's kind of a comparison between the two, which you can see here, the clear model and the tinted model. In regards to yellowing, I've been rocking the Pure Clear case on my iPad Pro for almost 2 years now, and out of all the clear cases I reviewed, the Pure Clear has been the one that has resisted yellowing the best over time. There's a slight little tint to it, considering it also sits near the window, but comparing it to the new case on the top and my iPad one on the bottom here, you can see it has done an excellent job at resisting yellowing over time. Anyways, that is a quick look at the Tech21 Pure cases. The next case that we're going to check out is the Evo check case from Tech21, and this one here is another one of my favorites from Tech21. Been reviewing it for the past 3 or 4 generations of iPhones. It's a little bit more protective, rated at 12 feet of drop protection, same antibacterial coating, and a new feature that this case has is you can mix and match the volume and power buttons. So normally I'm not a big fan of TPU style cases. I just literally don't like them for whatever reason. But this one here is an exception. It's very well made, super drop protective, again rated at 12 feet, and it's a nice looking case that I would definitely sport on my phone. A cool feature that I like about this case is that what gives it extra drop protection is the rubber material that's infused into the side bezel, which you can see here is separate from the TPU. So because of this rubber material, it gives the case extra drop protection as it helps absorb energy impacts from drops. Mix and matching buttons is certainly a new thing for me with case reviews, so if you don't like the black ones that are included in the case, you can push and pop them out and replace them with either yellow or green. So let's slap my iPhone 11 Pro into the Evo check case. Pretty easy installation, and we're all set to go. So here's what the Evo check case looks like on my space gray iPhone, and this gray model here looks really sharp again on the dark iPhone. The Apple logo does shine through, and it's called the Evo check case for a reason. It has this really nice checkered textured pattern on the back here. One thing I will say about TPU is that it's a lot more scratch resistant than bare hard plastic, so this should keep a nicer look over time than a traditional hard plastic crystal clear case. Compared to the Pure Clear, I do like the additional protection that this case offers. You can feel and see that the bezels are a little bit thicker. The power button as well as the volume rockers are nice and clicky, so they don't require a whole lot of pressure to actuate. And overall, the Evo check case I think is going to be my favorite one out of the entire lineup from Tech21. So that's a quick look at the Tech21 Evo check case. The next case that we're going to check out here is the Tech21 Studio Color. These cases are a little bit cheaper and a little bit more lighter weight than the other ones I reviewed. They're rated for 8 feet of drop protection, still feature an antimicrobial coating, and they're also 32% plant-based. So let's pop both of these out. This one here is obviously a blue color, and then we have a kind of like a lavender purplish color. So for those of you who just want a protective case and a simple basic color to them, this is pretty much as basic as you can get. So it is a TPU style case, however this has a nice matte finish to it, so it should resist scratches and probably a lot easier to clean. Doesn't collect as much fingerprints either. We'll grab our iPhone 11 Pro Max, slap it in the blue one here. Pretty easy installation and you're all set to go. The studio color is a little bit slimmer than the pure clear, so if you want slim yet still 100% protection, you can see it protects the bottom too. This one here is a great choice if you don't want anything too bulky and you want something plain, simple, and basic. The fit of this case is also very spot on. There isn't a spot that is sagging or anything like that. It's a very nice snug fit to the iPhone. I also want to mention, so far all these cases from Tech21 has been compatible with my edge-to-edge tempered glass screen protector. So for those of you who have one, you shouldn't have to worry about the case impeding a screen protector. Also forgot to mention the buttons are fairly responsive and still nice and clicky. I'll be honest, when I first saw this case, I thought it wasn't going to be anything too special, but honestly, I actually kind of like it. It's simple, basic, to the point, protective, and slim. Anyways, that is a quick look at the Tech21 Studio Color. The final case we're going to check out here is the Tech21 Evo wallet case. So just like the Evo check case, the Evo wallet case also features 12 feet of draw protection, and of course the added benefits of a folio style case. So sliding this out in Tech21's frustration-free packaging, first and only thing that we get is the Evo wallet case here. And just a quick note, a lot of Tech21 cases are now partly plant-based, so you can see this company is definitely trying to move towards a greener product line with featuring sustainable materials, which is a nice bonus. And of course, even their packaging is 100% recyclable. So take a closer look at the Evo wallet here. You can see this is obviously the black model. It has this very nice stitching around these sides here. It is a vegan leather material that wraps around the front as well as the back. And a couple things I like already is a little cutout for the earpiece on the top, so if you need to make a call or answer or listen to voicemail, you can do so without having to fold the flap all the way back. There's also a nice little magnetic lock here to keep the flap in place. And moving towards the inside, I like how the inside of this case is still an actual case, so we'll just pop our iPhone 11 Pro Max. Fits in pretty easily. The case portion here is a nice durable case. Again, it's rated for 12 feet of draw protection, so it's a very durable case without sacrificing anything with a wallet flap. I wouldn't necessarily say this is a wallet replacement given how slim this case is, but there is a single large pocket on the top here to fit whatever you can fit in there, whether it's cash, debit cards, gift cards, or something like that. Like the other cases, doesn't interfere with my edge-to-edge glass screen protector. The buttons are also super clicky and very responsive. And overall, definitely a great alternative and cheaper price compared to Apple's own folio style case, and also a little bit slimmer than the Artbox Strata case I reviewed last week. So if you want something affordable, slimmer, yet still well built and protective, then the Evo wallet case is definitely a great choice. Almost forgot about wireless charging. All Tech21 cases are wireless charging compatible. Here is their thickest one, which is the Evo wallet case. We'll place it on top, and you can see here it charges without any issues. So that is a quick look at Tech21's entire lineup of models for the all-new iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. Keep in mind, each of these different models, of course, have a number of different color options and variations. So if you're not a fan of gray or black, which you can see is probably my favorite, you can also pick a number of different ones to match your iPhone. So what do you guys think of these cases? Do you guys have a favorite model, or do you have something else that you may like? Let me know in the comment section there down below. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. And once again, any questions or comments about these, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.